I start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And for this video, I'm going to unbox the slippers or slip-ons. It's a Ipanema. Yeah, I bought this because my slippers I bought in the Philippines for almost 9 years, and now it's broken. Yeah, look, the strap is it's broken, but the body is still good. I used this for almost 9 years. It's Ipanema. So I bought the same color, but it's the style it's different. And size 6. The original price is $24.99, and I get this less 25%, so it's cheaper. It's supposed to be I prefer to both the same style, but they don't have it here. It's only the style it's here. It's for Philippines, but here in Canada they don't have other choices. The same color, but it's different style. It's a made in Brazil. The same that I bought in Philippines, it's from Brazil. And size 6 for US and Canada. This one, yeah, I really like Ipanema because it's very comfortable and it will stay long time, and like the Havaianas. It's my second time I bought this. Oh no, it's third. I bought twice in the Philippines, but when I left to come here, I gave it to my sister, the one pair. It's a black and white with florals. So this one, I feel like it's very comfortable. I will try this later. It's from Ipanema. And the one I bought is also a sneaker cleaner. I will try this for my sneakers because I love to wear sneakers for summers or spring and fall season. And my problem here, especially the white, it's more easy to get dirty. So I tried this, and the lady, she recommended this at the store, and she said it's good to clean for the sneakers or the white shoes. So I will try this. Yeah, it's like they have a soap with the bubbles, because this one, like, yeah, it's like easy to get dirty. Oh, it's perfect. It's get clean. This one, it's a $9 plus tax. I think I paid this, or my husband paid this $9.99. Not bad. And look, it's good. It looks very clean now. It's like new. Wow. I love this. Looks like new. It's a knee sport cleaner, sneaker cleaner. It's high quality lotion. It's made in US and by instruction is very. Do not mix with other household chemicals or do not get in the eyes. Keep out of reach of children. And how to use this. Once material is dry, nourish with matching care product. Test for color fastness of material before use. Yeah, it looks good. It works well for my sneakers. I don't need to wash it with water. And so this one, it works really good.
It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear. Yeah, we don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever.